In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start page numbering on the second page of a Microsoft Word document. If you're working on a document where the first page is a cover page, title page, or introduction, you may not want a page number to appear on that first page. Instead, you may want the second page to begin with page number 1, while the rest of the document continues with the correct numbering. To do this, first open your Microsoft Word document. Once the document is open, insert a page number. You can place the page number either at the top or the bottom of the page, depending on how you want your document formatted. After inserting the page number, you'll notice that the first page is numbered 1. However, if the first page is being used as a cover page, we want that page to remain without a visible number, while the second page should display number 1. To remove the number from the first page, go to the header or footer area where the page number is located. Then select the option called Different First Page. This option tells Word to use a different header or footer for the first page of the document. Once you select Different First Page, the page number will be removed from the first page. However, the second page may still display number 2 instead of number 1. We need to adjust the page numbering format so that the second page starts with the number 1. To do that, go to the Header and Footer group and click the Page Number drop-down menu. From the available options, select Format Page Numbers. A dialog box will appear with several page numbering settings. Look for the option that allows you to set the starting number. Change the starting number to 0, then click OK to apply the change. Now, Word will treat the first page as page 0, but because the first page is set to use a different header or footer, its number remains hidden. The second page will then display number 1, and the numbering will continue normally from there. This method is useful when your document includes a cover page that should not display a page number, but you still want the actual content to begin with page 1 on the second page. Once you've made these changes, you can continue editing your document as usual. The page numbers will automatically continue through the remaining pages without requiring you to manually number each page. And that's it. You've now learned how to start page numbering on the second page of a Microsoft Word document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,